Today I'll show you how to create recordings using the app Zoom. What you'll need to do this is a computer, laptop, tablet, smartphone with microphone, camera, and the Zoom app. You'll also need, say, a PowerPoint or Google Slides file that you can open in a window in your computer. You can see that this is a multi-slide presentation that I would give in class. The next step is to open Zoom. You can navigate to fresnostate.zoom.us, and this will open the website. Sign in the upper right hand corner, and then you'll be prompted to log in with your Fresno State username and password. If you are going to record your presentation from a mobile device, a smartphone or a tablet, you'll first need to activate your ability to record video to the cloud. In this case, when you log into Zoom on a web browser, here on the left side, navigate to the Settings menu. Then, switch to the Recording tab of the settings, and make sure that the cloud recording option is activated. Now host a meeting in the upper right corner with video on, and you'll be prompted to download the Zoom app. Then you'll allow that app to open, and it will create a Zoom room for you that looks like this. At the bottom of the window, select the Share button, and then select the window that accompanies your slides that you want to present. Now we can see the slides with your picture in the upper right-hand corner. And this is what will be recorded. You can select the Present button to show the slides without the notes. Now, to record this view of your slides with your picture in the upper right-hand corner, move your mouse to the top of the screen, and in the More menu, select Record. And now your window and everything you do and your picture will be recorded in a video. To record your video to the cloud on an Apple device, under the More menu, you will see the option to choose to record to the cloud. On every slide, in the Annotate menu, you can use a highlighter to draw the attention of the audience to certain words. And you can also add text and draw arrows, for example. You can erase these individually by clicking the Erase tool and then clicking on the item that you want to erase. To switch between slides, you need to get back to the mouse tool on the far left and use the mouse to click on the screen, and that will advance the slide to the next slide and so forth. If you add multiple items onto a slide and you want to get rid of them all, instead of erasing each one individually, because these will carry from slide to slide, you can click the Clear button and clear all drawings, and that will reset the slide so you can advance it to the next slide. That's just an advanced approach. If you happen to be using Zoom on an iPhone or an iPad, you'll see a Share Content button at the bottom of the screen that you can use to access Google Drive or other cloud storage locations where your presentation might be stored. These are example sources of cloud containers that you can find your presentations in, including Google Drive, Box, and Dropbox, which we have access to at Fresno State.
I witness how much energy I've had here.
When you're finished giving your entire presentation, use the More menu to stop recording. and then you stop share using that button at the top of the screen to return you to your video view. Now you're almost done. We just need to export your video recording. So end meeting in the bottom right-hand corner, and this will prompt Zoom after you end the meeting for all, which is just you, to record, or to export your video rather, as a file. And once that process of converting the meeting recording to an actual computer file is done, it will ask you where you want to save that file on your device. So on my laptop, I'm going to choose to save it to my desktop. And that's where I'm going to find that recording file. And if I navigate to that recording and open it, then I have the exact video recording of my slides as viewers would see them, including everything that I did in that video, and my face in the upper right-hand corner for a little added interaction. Finally, to share your video with others, open our shared Google Drive, and then you can drag and drop your video file onto the drive, and then all of our class will be able to see the file and view the file on Google Drive. Please add the date of your file and presentation and your last name to the file name before you upload it. Include the class number as well, please. There you have it. If you do need to record to the cloud, when you're done with the meeting, then Zoom will send you an email with a link to access the video file. From the website that link takes you to, you can download the video file and upload it to Google Drive as you just saw. I'm looking forward to watching your videos on Google Drive. Thank you. If you have any questions or comments, please be in touch.